everybody, it's me, Sissy. Survived the hurricane, Florence, so now we're back to share some more low-carb recipes with you. I made it through the hurricane fairly well without stress eating. I did maybe have a cookie. Couldn't help it. There was cookies and snacks everywhere, so I might have had one cookie. But anyway, made it through, didn't gain any weight. And we didn't get that much damage, just a few minor things, nothing like the other Carolinas, but in South Carolina we were blessed and didn't get quite as much damage. But today I'm going to show you how to make this great zoodle pasta dish. So stay tuned and see how I make it. To show you how I prepare my zucchini to make the zoodles, I have just this little basic spiralizer. I think, yeah, this is spiralizer I got from Amazon. It was just a few dollars. I believe it was under $5, and it has two sizes, one really thin, like kind of like angel hair pasta, and then one larger size. So what I like to do is I take the stem end and cut that off, and you're just going to stick it down in the spiralizer and go to town. And I have a rack here with a tea towel on it that's nice and clean. I'm going to put my zoodles on there to drain a little bit, and so you just feed it through here and start spiralizing. We're going to put them on the tea towel to drain, and then we're going to, oops, I got stuck in there. We're going to put them on there to drain, and then we're going to put a little salt and pepper on them, kind of season them up a little bit. And it comes with a little tool. If you get something stuck in it, just cleans it out really good. So and it comes with a little safety cap. When you get down to the end, you can put your safety cap on and finish, get the last little goodness of your zucchini. So we got that, and then that's your part left over. And I'm just going to spread this out on the tea towel so it can get some of the moisture out of it, and we'll do this other zucchini. I have a spiralizer. All you got to do is do some thin slices with a potato peeler, make it kind of look like fettuccine. Anyway, so we're going to take that, we're going to put it on here, kind of spread it out, give it a good salt and pepper, and let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes just to get some of that moisture out of it, and then we're going to squeeze it in the tea towel and get even more moisture out of it. I'm going to make a meat sauce to go with my zucchini, so I'm browning up some ground beef back here, and I've seasoned it with salt and pepper, a little bit of onion flakes, and I've used some of this Italian style herbs that I got from Walmart. I love this. It's got all kind of stuff in it: basil, marjoram, oregano, rosemary, sage, and thyme. So I'm going to fry that up, and then I'm going to take, when my hamburger's done, I'm going to take it out of the pan, and then that leftover oil and grease from my hamburger meat, I'm going to fry this zucchini in it, so it's going to have that good meaty flavor to it. And then when that gets done, I'm going to add some of this Mezza, M-E-Z-Z-E-T-T-A sauce. This is the marinara sauce. I found this at Walmart, and it was $3, and it only has 5 carbs per half cup. And I was trying to see if it had any fiber in it. I don't see any fiber. But anyway, that is a great sauce to use, and it has really good ingredients. It has plum tomatoes, imported olive oil, fresh onions, sea salt, fresh garlic, fresh basil, black pepper, and oregano. No added sugars, no added anything. This is really good, and it is really cheap compared to the Rouse or Ray's or whatever it is, because that's like $8. This was $3 at Walmart, and they have several different flavors. This is the one with the lowest carbs, marinara. So, and it's good thick sauce. It's a tiny bit bland, so I do like to add a little extra salt and pepper and some spices to it. But it's really good. So I'm going to let my meat fry up, and then we'll take it out the pan. And by then, my zoodles will be ready, and we can drain some of that water out. Okay, so we've let the zucchini sit here about 30 minutes. And now I'm just going to take it in this nice clean kitchen towel, lint-free. Like, I think it's called flour sack material, but anyway. You just want to squeeze and get some of that water out. See how much water's coming out? Just give it a good squeeze. I mean, they don't have to be absolutely dry because we're going to put them in the pan. Okay, and I finished cooking my meat, and it was a little fatty, so I did drain some of the grease off. I left about maybe 2 tablespoons in the pan. I'll bring the camera over and y'all can see. So I left just enough grease in here to cover the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to add my zucchini, my zoodles. I'm just going to drop those in. And my meat's almost done, but I'm going to let the meat finish cooking with the zucchini in the pan. And then we're going to give that a stir, and when the zucchini gets tender but still has a little tooth to it, so it kind of tastes like pasta, then we're going to add our sauce. Okay, I've let my zucchini cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, and it's did a little taste test on it, and it's got a good consistency. It's still got some body to it, but it's done enough. So I'm going to add a half a cup of beef broth, and then I'm going to deglaze the pan with that. And then I'm going to add my marinara sauce. Look at that. Get all that good stuff from the bottom. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of the marinara sauce. And you can add extra seasonings if you want. And stir that around. And then you can add Parmesan cheese to this, or mozzarella cheese, or, you know, whatever you like. And a little bit of red pepper flakes is good in here too, gives it a little kick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese to make my sauce nice and rich and creamy. So put that in, and then I'm just going to heat this through till the cream cheese melts. Okay, so I've got our pasta all plated up. I finished in touch. I'm just going to add a little sprinkle of some grated mozzarella cheese right on top, and just a few little pinches of red pepper flakes. Yeah, doesn't that look delicious? Let's take a taste. Well, this is too pretty to eat. I'm going to eat out the other plate. So, let me get a big thing of noodles. That is delicious. It has good texture. It's not exactly noodles, but it is close enough for me. I'm going to have to try to make some lasagna out of this zucchini too. I haven't tried that yet. But this sauce is great. You can have this sauce over, you could just make a sandwich out of it. Make this like Sloppy Joe's, Italian Sloppy Joe's, but on some good keto bread, that would be great. But this is really, really good, y'all. Nice and flavorful. That sauce is great. That sauce, I'm so glad Walmart has that sauce now, so I don't have to keep ordering Ray's from Amazon, because my Walmart never had it. But anyway, this is great. You can use, as I said, you could use this sauce. You could use that meat mezza sauce as spaghetti sauce, or as pizza sauce, or you can make chicken parmesan with some of that red sauce and some Parmesan cheese. There's a lot of uses for it, but this is really good. So I think I'm gonna go and eat some of this, more of this, and I'm gonna calculate my carbs and make sure that I have enough room for a little glass of red wine to go with this, and I'm gonna have an Italian feast. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too.